Mediocrity are like termites. It eats away our life slowly, slowly, slowly. And when you wake up, you realize that you lost decades and you are nowhere. If you look at all the people, they're walking from one place to another, have no idea why are they walking, where are they heading. There is no purpose, there are no goals, there is no ambition, just everybody continues to walk. This is the epidemic we all need to kill. It feels so good to receive an invitation from TEDx organizer to come and share my learnings and my insight about how anybody can come out of mediocrity. But it was not easy to deliver a TEDx speech. It requires a lot of work. It starts with thinking about topics, writing the briefs, outlines, then refining the presentation, then scripting out exactly word by word of entire presentation, and then time has to be exactly less than 18 minutes. It takes a lot of hours and hours of practice with the same script, and it just sometimes feels like, man, this is like an examination, and I hope I do really, really well. This is what it goes behind creating a TEDx speech. I still remember my days when I was just starting my journey. I actually wanted to inspire a lot of people, but nobody was giving me the stage. Nobody was allowing me to go on the stage and give a speech. In fact, I was talking to my tuition teacher. Sir, I want to inspire youngsters. I want to help them. You know what he said? बेटा आजकल के बच्चे तो आपको पता है ना, ये सब चीज़ों में उनको इंटरेस्ट है नहीं. And this is when I realized that I need to do something different. I need to work more hard and even smart to reach more people. And today here we are, getting an invitation to be a TEDx speaker, on the way to give a speech. And I'm really hopeful that the message that I will share about the mediocrity, how bad it is a disease. I hope this message reaches the masses. So there you go, we have finished the TEDx speech. I think बहुत घंटों की मेहनत, बहुत दिनों की मेहनत, I think finally we were able to deliver. अब आशा करता हूँ, I hope that people who are watching the TEDx speech, if you like it, do let me know. But I think it was a good experience to, I had to come all the way from Dubai to India just for the TEDx event, and this really means a lot to me. Sharing my thoughts, my story, that even if it can inspire one person, I would say that is the effort completely worth it. Motivation is short-lived. When you truly understand why you're born, when you truly find your passion, when you truly find your calling, nobody would need to push you and motivate you. The idea is do what you really love so that nobody really needs to push you. If you have the dream to impact lives, if you want to become a TEDx speaker, consistency is the key. Here's what you can do. Start by taking small action on social media. It could be as small as creating a small write-up, and let the magic unfold. Go from being where you are to beyond the stars.